Welcome to Best Buy Report. The best small tank filter is probably one of the most crucial components for maintaining a thriving aquatic ecosystem. It's essential for removing impurities, maintaining water clarity, and ensuring the health of your fish. In this video, we'll dive into the top-rated small tank filters, comparing their features, performance, and ease of use to help you choose the perfect one for your aquarium. Number 5. Tetra Whisper 4i Internal Power Filter. This internal power filter is designed for aquariums between 1 and 4 gallons. It's a great choice for keeping your small aquarium clean and healthy. The filter is easy to set up and maintain. This filter uses small filter cartridges and can be adjusted for different water levels. The 27 GPH pump cycles a 4-gallon aquarium more than 6 times per hour, ensuring effective filtration. It combines 2 filters in one. The cartridge floss captures debris and fish waste, while the ultra-activated carbon removes odors and discoloration, keeping the water crystal clear. The space-saving design allows your aquarium to sit flush against the wall. The filter clips onto the tank wall and can be easily hidden by decor, maintaining a clean look. The package includes everything you need to get started. You'll find the hinged lid, tank clip, internal filter, and filter cartridge all in one convenient pack. It's simple to set up and use. What we like. This filter's space-saving design allows your aquarium to sit flush against the wall, maximizing your space. It combines floss and activated carbon for comprehensive filtration. If you have a small aquarium and want a discreet, efficient filter, this is a great choice. What people say. The pump sits in your aquarium water, so it never needs to be primed. You plug it in, and it begins working, filling the upper bucket, where the water flows through the filter pad and spills back into the aquarium. No priming necessary ever, including after a power failure. When the power comes back on, it just starts working again. There is no top or lid, unless you buy the model intended for reptiles, so the filter pads just sit there exposed. This means that the water in the filter is fully aerated as it passes through the pads. It also means that no other internal filter is as easy to change pads when they become clogged. It's quiet, does the job as an equal bonus. My tank is small and it oxygenates the water enough that I don't need a pump. Number 4. Tetra Whisper 3i Filter Cartridges 6 count. This is a replacement carbon filter. It keeps your aquarium water crystal clear by removing odors and discoloration. This filter catches debris effectively. The dense, dual-sided mesh filters out debris and fish waste, keeping your tank clean. This filter is designed for simplicity. Its small size fits perfectly into Tetra Whisper 3i internal filters, making maintenance easy. These replacement filter cartridges are very convenient. They come fully assembled and are ready to use right away. For optimal performance, change the filter monthly. You may need to replace it sooner if you notice a reduction in water flow. What we like. This replacement cartridge keeps your aquarium water crystal clear by removing odors and discoloration. The dense mesh effectively catches debris and fish waste. If you're looking for a simple, ready-to-use solution for maintaining water quality, you should consider this. What people say. The filters last from a week to several depending on the diet. Not an aquarium or fish expert in any way, but these little filters do their job. I've noticed it prevents algae growth in my tank and filters out particles in the water. Works great. We purchased a second time. Number 3. NICREW 5 to 10 gallon aquarium internal filter. This internal filter provides effective biological and chemical filtration. It helps create a superior water environment for your fish. The activated carbon and fine filter foam trap debris and fish waste. It also helps absorb odors, keeping the water clean. This filter generates abundant air bubbles and water flow. This is optimal for oxygen supplement and water circulation in your aquarium. It is equipped with an adjustable air regulator. This feature distributes a gentle flow of water, making it safe for delicate fish or shrimp. The filter quickly assembles and disassembles. It comes with 4 suction cups for secure in-tank installation, suitable for both freshwater and saltwater tanks. What we like. This filter provides biological and chemical filtration, creating a superior water environment. It also generates air bubbles for oxygen supplement and water circulation. If you have delicate fish or shrimp and need adjustable water flow, this is the ideal option. What people say. It's perfect for my 2-gallon beta tank, as it takes up very little room, and it keeps the water nice and clear for a few weeks at a time. Setup is simple, and the filter media is easy to swap out. The filter is quiet, plug in and go, moves a lot of water, and does a good job of keeping my quarantine tank water clear and clean with some regular attention. Number 2. Aqueon QuietFlow E Extra Small Filter. This filter efficiently cleans and filters water, ensuring a healthy environment for your aquatic pets. It's designed to keep the water crystal clear and free of impurities. Setting up this filter is a breeze. You can easily install it using suction cups or hanging clips, making it simple to integrate into your aquarium setup. The auto start pump eliminates the need for priming. It also automatically restarts if the power is interrupted and then restored, providing continuous filtration. For optimal performance, replace the filter cartridge about every 4 weeks. This simple maintenance ensures the filter continues to work effectively. It comes with a carbon cartridge that removes odors and discoloration from the water. This helps maintain water quality and keeps your aquarium looking its best. This filter uses extra small Aqueon replacement cartridges. They are readily available and easy to replace. This filter is perfect for aquariums up to 3 gallons. It's a compact and efficient solution for maintaining a clean and healthy aquatic environment. What we like. This filter efficiently cleans and filters water, ensuring a healthy environment for your fish. It's easy to install with suction cups or hanging clips. If you are looking for a filter that automatically restarts after a power interruption, this is a convenient choice. What people say. This filter offers 3-stage filtration, mechanical, chemical, and biological, so it's keeping your tank fresh and clear. One of the best features of this Aqueon filter is the quiet operation. The extra small size is perfect for limited space and small tanks. Number 1. Koller Products Replacement Filter Cartridges, 3-pack. Keep your aquarium water crystal clear and your fish healthy. This premium replacement cartridge is designed to provide optimal filtration for your aquarium. No assembly is required, so there's no mess. It's ready to use right out of the box, making it convenient for you. The dual-sided polyfiber floss removes fish waste and other debris. This helps to maintain a clean and healthy environment for your aquatic pets. Activated carbon eliminates organic pollutants that can degrade water quality and cloud the water. This ensures the water stays clean and clear. It's easy to install and replace, and you don't need to get your hands wet. This makes maintenance simple and hassle-free. For optimal filter performance, replace the cartridge monthly or sooner if it's heavily soiled. This will help maintain the best water quality. This replacement cartridge fits Koller product power filters for various aquarium models. Check the list to ensure it's compatible with your aquarium. What we like. This replacement cartridge keeps your aquarium water crystal clear and your fish healthy. It comes pre-assembled, so there's no mess or hassle. If you like a simple, no-fuss solution for maintaining your aquarium's water quality, you should consider this. What people say. Excellent product. It does clear the water. Easy to switch out for a new one. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.